Cut! This is not Teenage, this is PBS Kids. Take two. Cut! This is not mirrored, this is too normal. Take three. Cut! This is not black and white, this is normal. Anyways, take four. Cut! This is too dark. This is too normal. Anyways, take five. Cut! This is not light. This is too dark. Anyways, take six. Cut! This is the Apple loss effect. This is the normal. Anyways, take seven.
And I'm John. And we make music with our feet. Look. It's called tap dancing. And here's our cool trick. Hey, I'm Sean. And I'm John. And that was our cool trick.
Cut! This is not cool tricks. This is too normal. Anyways, take eight. Cut! This is way too hot. I gotta burn to death. Anyways, take nine. Oh shoot. Cut! This is way too cold. I gotta breathe. Take nine. Anyways, take 10.
Mom, how was I born? Did I come out of your belly button? Was I dropped from the sky? Wanna know, let's all find out now. In mommy's tummy, mom's round little seed, feeling bored alone, waiting for a friend. At that time, then comes Betsy, fastest in the world, swimming.
Oh, I'm the one to meet Mom C. Now we are one.
Wow, what happened to them next?
Listen, in a cozy place, the baby grows, bigger every day,
and stronger.
even tries to kick.
Shoot, go!
One day,
I want to go out to meet Mom and Dad. Ready, go!
you came out head first, healthy and strong, my sweet baby.
It's so amazing!
Cut! How's people song for hero to that? Take 11.
A small town street on a normal looking day when suddenly, excuse me, miss, do you like my new hair? Oh,
Here I am to help. Tell me, what happened, miss? A big monster scared me.
Whoa! A monster! Help! That monster scared me!
Wait a minute.
excuse me.
I think he just wants to ask us all a question.
Yes, that's true. I just wanted to know if you like my new haircut.
Oh. Mr. Monster might look different than us, but that doesn't mean he's scary.
Oh.
So, what does everyone think of my new hairstyle?
Wow,
My work here's done. Goodbye, everyone.
And so the day is saved thanks to Super Martian Robot Girl.
Super Martian Robot Girl.
This is not Super Martian Robot Girl. This is Lunaima. Anyways, final take.
PBS Kids.
Nice job. Good work.